So we expanded our top family board features across most of our boards with the exception of the cooking board. So if you tap on an empty space on your screen, you'll have the ability to add pictures, videos, stickers, handwritten notes, add widgets, as well as additional app icons across most of our boards. Family Hub now provides a more convenient user interface that includes various theme boards that are organized by common capabilities. So let me show you each. This is our family board. The family board allows you to share photos, videos. It allows you to synchronize your family's calendars as well as add handwritten notes and post-its. When you see our cooking board, the cooking board allows you to search a variety of different recipes. It allows you to add those recipes to your favorites just by hitting the heart, or you can add those items to your meal planner to make meal planning easier for your family. And then you can also add items to your shopping list. You can then go to your entertainment board. You can surf the web. You can mirror content from your Samsung smartphone or TV. And you could also stream music from top services. And then lastly, you have your smart home board. With the smart home board, you can control your Samsung smart appliances as well as smart devices. You can control your thermostat. You can also check on video feeds from cameras that are in and around your home, all from this screen. So now you can organize your boards in the order that you want by going into the edit mode. And how you do that is by holding and pressing down on your screen. Now you're in edit mode. You hold the screen that you want to reposition and you slide it and place it where you'd like. And now you've changed the order of your screens.